to my channel. Welcome to our channel, our YouTube channel. This is our channel. This is us. Share, like, subscribe, support. And I'm here with Mommy, and today we're gonna be making her famous fried chicken. Go ahead, Mommy, make your chicken. Do your stuff. Do your thing.
Hi, my name is Brenda Love. I'm frying some good home chicken, and this is what I season my chicken with. Sason, Goya Sason.
Yeah.
With the red in it.
Yep.
And garlic powder and black pepper.
Yes.
And this how it look
After you season it, right?
after I season it.
Okay. And then, Mommy,
And then I use my flour
put it in the bag.
and I put it in a Ziploc bag.
Yeah, put it in.
And then put my chicken in the flour bag. And I ziplock it well, so you don't get the flour on the floor all on yourself.
Yeah, Mom.
And then take it and shake it well until you get all over the chicken. Okay, that's enough. I got a little bit on the floor now. That's okay. You can get it out. Okay. And then I put it in the hot grease. Okay. Put it. Put the stove on. Put the stove on. And let it get hot. It's hot. It's hot enough, but I'm gonna let it get more hotter.
We'll be back when
We'll be back.
finish frying.
When it finish frying.
I did like easy today for like frying rice. I
Hi, we're back, and we're back with the finished results of that chicken.
Yay! See? Now this is how the fried chicken look. The finger looking good. Once you taste it, it tastes good.
Okay, let's try that chicken. Mmm, delicious. If you like this, subscribe, like, and comment, please. Thank you. We love you.
Love you. Have a blessed day.